Welcome back, my Don and Donettes. Darren from TFD. Here we talk everything about fragrances, what's good, what's bad, likes, dislikes. Make sure you like and subscribe. Thanks to all my new subscribers and all the comments. And yeah, thanks very much. So today we have a new release from another fragrance content creator. It's been around for quite a while. Goes by the name of Justin Copeland, but his channel is called Stay Fresh Productions. And Zaharoff, the brand, have collected, worked with 3 other fragrance enthusiasts and reviewers. So we got Justin, I'll put their pictures up, Curly Scents from Curly Scents channel, and then we've got Ross from TLTG Reviews. So there's 3 of fragrances. So first I have is Justin's. It's called Brass and Soul. There we go. Lovely box. This feels really nice and soft. See, it's got the music notes on there, the sheet music, some D majors and C minors. Very lovely presentation of the box. I really do like it. This is the sort of box you'll keep, like you can't throw it away. And there we have the juice, Brass and Soul. He's got his logo on the bottom, Stay Fresh Productions. On the side there, you can see it says Stay Fresh Productions. Is it coming up there? There we go. Oh yes, very nice presentation. 10 out of 10. And there we have the cap. Got a little Z inside. I don't have anything Zaharoff fragrances actually. I've been meaning to buy some. They got a new rose one that I do want to get. But obviously, being a fragrance reviewer, you've got to support the other reviewers as well. And Justin, I've spoken to him several times on Instagram. He's got a degree, a professor in music, doctorate in music actually. And you know, I do a bit of music as well. So I sent him one of my tracks. He said, "Oh, it's really good. I like this, I like that." So maybe we'll combine and do a track one day. What are you saying, Justin? Anyway, so yeah, this is called Brass and Soul Eau de Parfum Concentration. And to be honest, this is really, really nice. I was really pleasantly surprised. I didn't know what to expect, but you know, I saw the spiel of, you know, he plays the trombone, one of those brass instruments, and he's in a band and stuff, so he wanted to get that clubby kind of sort of vibe, kind of sort of scent. But this is fantastic. I really do like it. That's the CD atomizer. There you go. Really, as soon as you spray, it's really fresh, citrusy opening. Yeah, and then it dries down a little bit to like a boozy kind of smell. I really, really like it. I was pleasantly surprised. Really, like, for a first creation of a fragrance, you've come right out of the bag with this one, I'm telling you. Yeah, it's just very fresh and boozy. Like, it has a nice freshness to it. It's a 60ml bottle, so not 100ml, but that's enough. And it's only limited creations. So already Curly Scents, hers is sold out. Ross's one's still available, and so is this. So yeah, people are snapping them up. I've seen this on eBay for like $400. So it's gonna become a collector's item. So I'm glad I have it, just to support Justin, most definitely. But really nice, and it doesn't smell. At first I thought, oh, this reminds me of Dior Homme Intense. So I've got Dior Homme, and I was like, nah, Dior's more leathery, this is more fresh. But I thought it's in the same kind of realm. But it's really nice. So the notes are, I've written them down: juniper berry, lavender, gin, spices, vanilla, and patchouli. So it's a very fresh but sort of spicy combination. But to me, I get a lot of gin and a lot of booze. Yeah, the price is $119 from Zaharoff website, I got it from Luxe Perfume. I'll put that link up below. Yeah, it's just really nice. The performance is really good. It projects for about an hour, 2 hours. I can still smell it projecting, and then maybe overall longevity, maybe like 4 to 5, maybe just bordering 6 hours. But yeah, I really liked it. I wore it twice to make sure I give it a good run. But yeah, I mean, where you could wear it the occasion, probably just, yeah, you could wear it to go out. Is it more summer, sort of spring maybe? I'd still wear it in the winter, you know. It's quite fresh, real nice, a nice evening. But yeah, so you can wear this wherever you like, really. But I do really enjoy it. It's nice and just not too sweet, but boozy with the vanilla kind of combination. It's just really nice. As soon as I sprayed it, I was like, yeah, this is really good. So definitely check it out. I think they were giving samples away when you buy it from the Zaharoff website, but I didn't get it from there, so I didn't get any samples. But yeah, you definitely have to even, you know, get a smell of it. It's really nice. The presentation, just everything is just very classy. So, you know, George Zaharoff, he owns Zaharoff brand. That's who they combine with. I'm not sure who the perfumer is. I should have looked it up, but yeah, I really like it. Justin, well done. This is a great for a first time fragrance. Very good. I'm very impressed. I can't say, oh, it smells like this or it smells like that. It's in its own lane. It's like just, yeah, it's just really nice. And I like the color of the juice and the bottle, and well, I just love everything. I love everything. So Justin, well done. Stay Fresh Productions. I'll put up his YouTube link so you can find him, and put up the other guys as well. But yeah, I'll be purchasing the other bottles, but I've got this one first because me and Justin are quite cool. And yeah, just wanted to support. But yeah, when you dry it down now, you can smell the gin. It's a bit boozy, but not heavy boozy. It's still kind of fresh boozy. And then you can smell a bit of lavender and patchouli. It's really nice. I'm really impressed. So yeah, definitely Justin, well done. I'll say to everyone, check it out. Definitely go on the website, look them up and see what they're all about. And check out Zaharoff, and it's just, yeah, I really like it. Presentation, everything is nice, the juice is nice. So yeah, Justin, well done. And I look forward to more of your creations in the future. Anyway, that's me, Fragrance Done. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care. Bye.